When it comes to golf cart windshields, there are a lot of options. We're going to go over some of the styles and choices that you can make to help find the best windshield for you. When picking out a windshield, the first thing you need to do is figure out the year, make, and model of your cart. For help finding out this information, check out our cart identification guide on buggiesunlimited.com. The next thing you'll need to decide is whether you want clear or a tinted windshield. When it comes to the construction of your windshield, you can choose between a fold-down or a solid one-piece design. A fold-down windshield has a hinge in the middle that allows you to fold the windshield down to allow better airflow, or fold it up to help better protect you against the elements. Our fold-down windshields come in two thicknesses, a standard 5/32 and a 1/4 inch thick. The 1/4 inch thick acrylic is our thicker, higher density, premium windshield material. A wing windshield wraps around the sides of the struts to give you maximum wind deflection. One-piece windshields offer an unobstructed view and also come in a DOT approved version. We also offer a polycarbonate windshield that's DOT approved that is required in some states for street use. There are two main ways to secure your windshield, bolt style and our quick connect option. Bolt style is just that, you bolt the windshield on, but you can't remove it unless you have tools handy. The quick connect style, on the other hand, allows you to easily remove the windshield when you're transporting and put it back on without the use of tools. Now that you're ready to choose your windshield, take a look at our full selection at buggiesunlimited.com.